Welcome to part 2. What?
Part 2.
Part 2, wait.
This is the vortex.
The Praxis. Yep, this one apparently doesn't shoot as hard as the Proton, I think. Shoots a little slower. Take out the back, and you get this shotgun-looking thing. Oh, miss.
That was my aim.
And another miss. Okay, so that's it for the Praxis, and here we go. Last one, the Stampede. What? Yeah, this is Stampede. This one is the gun that uses only batteries, so it might cost some money to...
Let's put more in there.
Let's look it. Yes, you can see. Okay.
We'll put in 1, 2.
See, it doesn't shoot like this. Yep. You put this thing up, put it down.
Seems like a grenade launcher.
Put it down like that, and shoot.
2, 3, 4.
What? Sorry, that's my brother, but here, you hold it.
Sorry about my hand. Oh, your assassin mode. Okay, we have 6. Yeah, 6.
Okay, I'm back. My brother's calling me something. What? Oh gosh. Did it shoot? I didn't see it. Wait.
From this side. Wow.
Gosh. Well, it shoots pretty fast. If you put in fresh batteries, you won't know how fast it shoots. Like, doom, 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 doom.
Yeah.
Like the Vulcan, but it uses only batteries. And sorry, I got.
Again, here's all the guns.
And here's all the guns.
And this is how you fold this one. You just hit this button.
Yep.
And do that. Hands will fold up. Yeah.
And
this one with the Tycoon.
And the Stampede shoots pretty hard, so. The batteries are really big, and it makes the gun super heavy, though. So, okay, I'll bring it.
Maybe another time we might be able to get the.
No, we might be able to get more guns.
We might be able to get a.
We'll make a part 3, I bet. Just so for different guns. My brother's bringing out some of his guns soon, so we'll make a part 3.
This is all the guns we have.
These are all the guns we use. Put the thing on with attachments. Put all of them on with attachments, actually.
I got it. This one.
Okay. Well, some of them are pretty old, so that they didn't shoot as far, but here's all the guns we used. To review, the Stampede ECS, the Maverick, the Hammer Shot, the, what was this called? The SSAS-1, the Vortex Praxis, the Nerf Recon CS6, the Deploy, something, let's see, the Deploy, it's inside there, it's the Deploy CS6, the BuzzBee Toys, Rags 12 Air Warriors, and the Vortex Praxis. I thought we were going to say which one you should buy. Oh. Okay, so we'll say which ones you should buy in the next part 3 when we bring out more guns and test those out. And, well, thanks for watching, and please... No?
We're just going to test them and then get...
Oh, well, I guess not right now, because at part 3 we're supposed to say that, but, well, I'll see you in part 3, guys. Thanks for watching. And me too.